Hi, Didi in front of you, Motorola Moto G23, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere application on this device. So before we'll check it, we should get the application from the Play Store. That's why I open the search button and enter the Ampere. Now we should get this first application. That's why I just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. So after that, click to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. So now we'll see information about our battery health. In my case, the battery is in a good condition. So also we can see here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, model, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.